Hi guys, welcome to Grace Braider channel. If you want to see how she achieved the box braid, as you can see in the video, please keep watching.
Let me make it crispy. Do you trust me? I promise you will like me. Grace Braider, your Afrocentric hairstylist. I do what I love, I do what we love, and I'm blessed enough from the men above. Get that grace touch, whatever you need, I got you. I don't talk much, yeah, I don't.
Here in the video, you can see she placed the blonde hair in a rail, something just to keep the attachment ready, and also the black attachment as well. And now she's kind of unwrapping her hair, ready to get to work. Here she's using a cream called Cantu. She's applying it on her hair to moisturize it, and now she's combing it with a comb. Now she's sectioning the hair in a bunch of units, tying it with rubber band to keep it firm. And then she brings out another unit, sectioned. Also tied it with a rubber band. And there she goes also with another one. She's absolutely very good in sectioning the hair and bringing a little bit of some edge. Okay, tying it also with a rubber band to keep it fixed. Another section, tying it with a rubber band to keep it fixed, ready for braiding. Another section, and she's holding it firm with a rubber band. For your information, this is a rubber band method, and she's bringing out edge. She's gonna lay it at the end of the video. Same here, she's out of a rubber band now. She's holding it with a clip to keep the hair fixed. And now she started applying the attachment, fixing it on her own hair, and then twisted in three sections of the blonde hair, just to twist it around each other's to achieve a braid. As you can see, she has a few of them done already. Yeah, she has done some now, and now she's holding the hair with a clip just to keep it firm for her to have a space where she can apply the black attachment. And here she's twisting it around her own hair to achieve braids. To continue braiding, twisting, twisting. And she picked up another black attachment, fixed onto her hair, twisting to achieve a braid. And here she almost kind of have some few left, almost in front of her hair there. And she's showing you how she is, twisting the attachment on each other to, how you're going to fix it on your own hair to then start braiding. As you can see, she's twisting around her own hair, and then now she started twisting against the three section of the attachment that she applied on her hair to achieve a braid. She continued to twist, braiding. And there she go very fast with the braiding. Honestly, I don't know what she's talking about, but as you can see, she is done with that one. She picked another black attachment, fixing it on her own hair, showing you how she, twisted around her own hair and then twist it over, and then as you can see, what she's doing there with her hand, then twisting it on each other, and then start twisting the attachment. Yeah, she's almost done. And then she starts, tying a kind of a rubber band at each end of every box braid. And then cutting it with the scissors. And she picks another one and measure it with the one she already cut to make sure they are in the same length. And then she ties a rubber band and then cut it. The same thing she did on the third one. She picked, cut it. And then she starts kind of using a lighter to burn on each end of the box braids to achieve some sort of a glue at the end of the hair there to make sure they're very firm, not to be loose. As you can see, she's using a lighter there to make sure that the hair, also burning a little bit of the braid to make sure that the hairs are very smooth. The braids are smooth. Yeah. Now she's about to do her edge with her edge control. She's laying her edge down with edge control. She's applying it some sort of a cream or liquid. And then she used a comb to kind of make a wave kind of a wave or swoop, however you want to call it. And then she picks another section to make some sort kind of a wave. Kind of look like a baby hair. She makes another one. And another one. She achieved kind of a wave, and now she's laying it down with some sort of a tape, or just to hold the edge frame. And now she's almost kind of ready. And now she's kind of like putting some sort of kind of a cream, but it looks kind of foamy, applying it on her hair. Probably she's trying to, soften the hair, make sure that it won't be tight. That's my own thought. That's what I think. And she's drying it up, making sure that it's not, wet. And now she's removing the tape she used to, keep the edge fine. And now, as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, very shiny, very beautiful. Guys, this is lovely. I love it. Wow. She's gorgeous. I love it. This is really, really beautiful. I like it. Even the way she's rocking it. Beautiful. Well, guys, we are approaching at the end of this video. As you can see, she's giving us an angle to just show us the back of the hair. So everything is almost done here. Well, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more video like this, please subscribe, and thank you.